We created a new and easy new method for basic to learn English with stories.
Food. Food. Meaning.
Things we eat. Things we eat. Sentences and examples.
I like food. I like food. Good food is healthy for the body. Good food is healthy for the body. Layla likes cooking food. Layla likes cooking food.
Happy. Happy. Meaning. Feeling good. Feeling good.
Sentences and examples. I am happy. I am happy. Sunia is happy today. Sunia is happy today. A good person is always happy. A good person is always happy.
Sad.
Sad.
Meaning. Feeling bad. Feeling bad. Sentences and examples.
She is sad. She is sad. Niam is sad today. Niam is sad today. The boy is sad. The boy is sad.
Run. Run. Meaning. Move fast. Move fast.
Sentences and examples. I run in the park. I run in the park. Running is good for the body. Running is good for the body. Hakeem runs every day. Hakeem runs every day.
Eat. Eat. Meaning. Take food. Take food.
Sentences and examples.
I eat rice. I eat rice. Every person needs to eat food. Every person needs to eat food. Layla wakes up and eats breakfast. Layla wakes up and eats breakfast.
Drink. Drink. Meaning. Take liquid. Take liquid.
Sentences and examples. I drink milk. I drink milk. Ahmad drinks coffee every day. Ahmad drinks coffee every day. Essen drinks juice. Essen drinks juice.
Big. Big. Meaning.
Large and long. Large and long.
Sentences and examples. The house is big. The house is big. Layla has a big car. Layla has a big car. Ahmad lives in a big house. Ahmad lives in a big house.
Small. Small. Meaning. Little. Little.
Sentences and examples.
The cat is small. The cat is small. Ahmad has a small brother. Ahmad has a small brother. Layla has a small pen. Layla has a small pen.
Good. Good. Meaning. It is nice. It is nice.
Sentences and examples. This is good. This is good. Sammy speaks English well. Sammy speaks English well. This room is good. This room is good.
Bad. Bad. Meaning. Not good. Not good.
Sentences and examples. This is bad. This is bad. The dog is bad. The dog is bad.
Day. Day. Meaning. Time of light. Time of light.
Sentences and examples. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. I read every day. I read every day. Andy exercises every day. Andy exercises every day.
Night. Night. Meaning. Time of dark. Time of dark.
Sentences and examples. Good night. Good night. Layla turns on the light every night. Layla turns on the light every night. Sammy sleeps at 10 p.m. Sammy sleeps at 10 p.m.
Book. Book. Meaning. A thing you read. A thing you read.
Sentences and examples. I read a book every day. I read a book every day. Layla reads a book before sleep. Layla reads a book before sleep. Ahmad reads a book every day. Ahmad reads a book every day.
Apple. Apple. Meaning. A fruit. A fruit.
Sentences and examples. I eat an apple. I eat an apple. Everyone likes apples. Everyone likes apples. Sammy has an apple tree in his yard. Sammy has an apple tree in his yard.
house, house. Meaning, a place to live, a place to live.
Sentences and examples. This is my house. This is my house. Layla lives in a rented house. Layla lives in a rented house. Nasim bought a new house. Nasim bought a new house.
Friend, friend. Meaning, a person you like, a person you like.
Sentences and examples. He is my friend. He is my friend. I play football with my friend. I play football with my friend. John goes to school with his friend. John goes to school with his friend.
Water. Water. Meaning. A drink is a liquid you can drink. A drink is a liquid you can drink.
Sentences and examples. I drink water. I drink water.
Mina drinks water during exercise. Mina drinks water during exercise.
Water is good for the body. Water is good for the body.
School, school. Meaning, a place to learn, a place to learn.
Sentences and examples. I go to school. I go to school. Mohammed goes to school at 8 a.m. Mohammed goes to school at 8 a.m. John finds many friends at school. John finds many friends at school.
Teacher, teacher. Meaning, a person who teaches, a person who teaches.
Sentences and examples. My teacher is kind. My teacher is kind. Our teacher teaches well. Our teacher teaches well. Hakeem is a math teacher. Hakeem is a math teacher.
Car, car. Meaning,
A vehicle to move and done. A vehicle to move and done.
Sentences and examples. He has a car. He has a car. Ali bought a car. Ali bought a car. Layla likes the red car. Layla likes the red car.
Simple story.
Layla lives in a small house. She is a good girl, and she likes reading books. Every night, she reads a book before sleep. Kabir is her friend. He lives in a big house. He reads a book every day, and he likes good food. One day, Kabir goes to Layla's house. Layla is happy to see him. They sit together and talk. Layla makes food.
They eat food and drink water. The food is very good. Sammy is their friend. He has an apple tree in his yard. He brings apples for Layla and Kabir. They eat apples together. They feel very happy. They go to the park and run together. Running is good for the body. In the evening, they go back home. Layla is happy. Kabir is happy too. Sammy is also happy. It is a good day. At night, Layla reads a book again. Do you like this method? Write in the comments and subscribe. Stay with English No Limits.